Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a quick glam with you guys. This is my current every single day makeup look. I absolutely love it. If you guys are interested on how I got this entire makeup look, stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first product I'm going in with is the Pond's Dry Skin Cream. I love this cream mainly because it moisturizes the skin so much. And I do put a great amount on. So, So the next product I like to go in with is my Milani Cosmetics Dip Brow in the shade Brunette number 4. Next, I like to carve out my brows with my all-time favorite concealer. That is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. And we're just going to be using a flat brush from Vanity Planet. Next, I take a beauty blender and I blend out the concealer around my brows. With that same concealer, I am going to cancel out any darkness on my eyelids and blend it out with a fluff brush from Real Techniques. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me loose finishing powder. I really love this powder. Out of all the drugstore powders that I've ever tried, this one's by far my favorite. So I like to tap it, flip it, tap it. Then this excess here from the lid, I will be taking my brush and dipping it and setting my concealer on my eyelids. So next, I'm going to apply some eyeshadow. I usually go in with the same two colors for my everyday eye look. And that is the shade Note to Self and Champs from the Yes Please palette from ColourPop. Please excuse how dirty this palette is. Literally, when I say this is my everyday makeup look, this is my everyday palette as well. So we're going to first go in with the shade Note to Self. I'm using a small fluff brush from Vanity Planet. And I'm just going to go on my crease and the outer V as well. Now with my ring finger, I'm going to be taking the shade Champs just because the ring finger is supposedly the most gentle finger on your hand. So you can lightly put the slightest pressure to apply this shade. So now that my eyeshadow is complete, for my everyday go-to makeup look, I always do a very light eyeshadow look. So next is mascara. For an everyday look, I do not put falsies. We are going to explain all that in a new video, so stay tuned for that, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I did my natural lashes off camera. I used only 2 products for this, and that is all explained in the next video. So make sure you guys are stay tuned, you have your post notifications on, you guys are subscribed to my channel, that way you won't miss that video. So let's carry on and finish off this makeup look. We are going to go in with some foundation. The foundation I'll be using today is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup, and this is in the shade Sun Beige W6. Next, I'm going to go back in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and we're just going to apply it here. We're just going to apply it underneath my eyes, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. To bake, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me finishing powder as I've used previously, and we're just going to apply it. So as I'm baking, I'm going to be bronzing, and this is the Macy's 3-in-1. This is a bronzer, highlighter, and blush. I know I mentioned this product on my channel before. So we're just going to go in with some bronzer, and this is an angled brush from Vanity Planet. Next, I'm taking my floral kabuki brush. This is so beautiful. I got it for Christmas from my family, and I'm just going to blend this out. If I see any harsh lines, blend it out as best as possible. For blush today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted Peach Blush. And this is again a brush from Vanity Planet. The mascara I'll be using for my bottom lashes is the Essence Voluminizing Waterproof Mascara. So for lips, I'm going to be using the Palladio Lip Liner. This is like a mauve pencil. It's a crayon actually. And then I'm going to be taking this Legit crayon from Bite Beauty. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. My current go-to makeup look. I absolutely love this look, and don't forget to check out the video on how I got my natural lashes to look as long as they do right now. I'm absolutely obsessed with the process, and it only takes 2 products to get it this way. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Make sure you guys hit the notifications bell down below, that way you won't miss the video or any other upcoming videos. Please comment down below any suggestions for future videos, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!